Recently, telecom operators have been increasingly acquiring islands of systems in order to support the continuous evolution of services and the new challenges in the telecom industry. This has placed telecom operators in a serious dilemma. Should they decommission all these costly systems and replace them with one solution, or should they deploy a universal middleware that can speak all languages and orchestrate the communication among these systems? Here, enterprise service buses and business rules engines started to shine. Damri's Service Orchestration Manager is not only an orchestrator that syncs all systems, attaches them together, and puts them in symphony, but also a highly configurable and open enterprise service bus and business integration layer enabler that empowers operators to deploy innovative products and services by fulfilling complex end-to-end business processes with sophisticated business rules across multiple internal and external systems swiftly and easily, thus reducing TTI, CTI, and TTM. Hence, V-SOM gives operators the business and financial benefits of a full transformation by utilizing their existing systems and paving the way towards an open architecture that can integrate external partners with various digital verticals. Key features: Visual Designer, GUI configuration and customization, business and technical tracking, machine and human workflow support, workforce management, business rules handling and instance synchronization, orders orchestration, dynamic creation and exposure of customized and configured REST APIs, workflow initiation and interaction via REST APIs, unlimited workflow execution capabilities, advanced bulk execution capabilities from the UI, from files, from databases, or via APIs, scheduler service, scalable runtime, active-active redundancy and automatic failover using any of the active runtimes, parallel processing, advanced security model, dynamic integration points configuration using standard protocols and technologies, email notification with support for customizable email templates and instance events.